So I fitted a new window motor on the Discovery. Sorry I couldn't film it, it's quite a process. Basically you undo these, 1, 2, 3, 4, that loosens your motor, undo these two, drop your window slowly, there's a bolt there, move on there, undo those, slide your glass off, lift your glass right to the top, hold it up with a bit of masking tape, that's what I did. Hold it up, that tilts on an angle, that way, comes out the bottom. Switch your motor over, that's the old motor. New motor on, plug it in, back in opposite side, reverse the process. 3, 4, then back in, lower your window down, lower the glass down, put that one in, tighten them up, job's a good one. Grease it up as well, grease everything that moves, grease it up. I've got that stuff, it works a bloody treat. Spot on, 10.